a win to start a game back here in this best of 5 series. Again, this is their home floor, eager to make the home fans proud. As you take a look at the starters, Kamsur, the whole unit of Natividad, Mike Sampurna, Jonas Lontok, LJ Mayo, and Rafael Barbero. Those are your starting lineups. Josh Marhay na gabi sa Indo Gabos, Bicolandia. Style to Magdoy. Heats up early with his first. Berman takes it. Malyapre. Corner jumper is good. Eugene Malyapre. Malyapre takes it back outside. Natividad. Pull up jumper. Doesn't work. Offensive board. Lontok. The fake. And the reverse layup is good. Express trying to push. Lim looking for a teammate. Magpantay for 3. It's good! Berman magpantay. The second three-pointer from that left corner. And Sampurna quickly answers right back with that. Hands it off to Magpantay. Against Sampurna. Aquino, wing three-pointer. It's good! Raymond Aquino sustains the Magpantay with the steal. Berman drops it to Lim. Then with the left hand. Another one for Berman Magpantay. Game here. Trying to be the 6th man off the bench. Almario. Right on cue for 3. Aquino has it off. Almario driving. Pulling up. The banks that one in. As Taguig's badly needing some offense here. Ordonez drops it to Tolentino. Short stab is good. Immediate impact for Jackie. They move the ball to the other side. Dumagtoy fakes the 3. Gives it to Monsalve. Trying to power his way inside for 2. Sampurna. 2-man game with Mayo. Sampurna. Pull-up jumper is good. Badly. Generals showing some pressure. Vibares for 3. Can't hit from the corner. That Monsalve cleans up the mess. The shot doesn't work inside. Natividad. The leak out to Ordonez. Easy 2. Ordonez has to catch the defense sleeping. Natividad with a crossover. Nice find inside. And Jackie Tolentino with a finish. Started with that done at 7-point lead for the Express. Almario. For 3. It's good. Jerome Almario. Park off the bench as the Express enjoying this 10-point lead. We'll be back for the second quarter. Gabiran. Dumagtoy, back to Vibares for 3. Knocks it down. Raf Vibares tracks down the ball. Is in the game now for the Express. Almario putting the moves on his defender and scores inside. Wow. 14 points in that last game but misses that second free throw. Jackie Tolentino tracks it down. Now Mike Sampurna attacking and scoring right away. Still can't get that one to go. Nice defense by the Express. Armalio to the corner. Dumagtoy for 3. Kyle Dumagtoy. 13 points, 3 rebounds, and 5 assists in that game too. Sampurna tries to answer and he does. So good play off a timeout. Lontok hands it off to Gabiran. Ordonez for 3. Knocks it down. Vibares looking for a teammate. De La Cruz to the corner. Magpantay for 3. Waits it. Berman magpantay. Sampurna driving once again and that familiar reverse layup is good once again. Vibares takes the 3, doesn't work. Malyapre offensive rebound. hard way. Long there. Barbero attacking. Drops it to Sampurna and the easy basket inside. Natividad. Pull-up jumper. Finally, trickles it in. Almario attacking the middle. What a move! Jerome Almario. Nice finish of the attack. Natividad answers right away with that pull-up jumper. Doesn't fall though, and Mayo skies for the board. Natividad gives it to Mayo. Strong drive to the hoop. Bucket and the bonus. Almario again trying to carry his team here as Camstor still up by 8 points. We'll be back for the second half. Build this 8-point advantage. Again, my name is Carlos Ocamos. It's a pleasure to take you through the action in Game 3 of the NBL President's Cup Finals. Attacking. Gives it to Lontok. Short jumper doesn't work. Azares. Still no go. But LJ Mayo in the right place. Ayo. Against the pressure by Azares. Ayo. Banks that one to go. Bucket and the bonus. Directing traffic here. Ayo attacking. Hands it off. Berman for 3. Knocks it down. Berman magpantay. Vidad, another bank shot. Doesn't work this time. Magpantay, pushing. Dumagtoy, scoring inside. Mayo and still getting that one to go. And another fast break opportunity. Magpantay. Dumagtoy. Finally, after that, Redondo miss. Still no go there. And Almario tracks it down. Almario attacking. The lefty layup is good. All smart. Almario using the Monsalve screen. Almario. The runner is good. Jerome Almario. And again, visiting team. Although the Express are already over the limit. Dumagtoy. Open for 3. Bangs that one in. Kyle Dumag. Attacking. Kicks it out. Malyapre the fake. Now the take. And the shot is good. Vincent Malyapre. Azares fakes the pass and hits with that floater. Vivares waves off his teammate. Quick trigger 3 is good. Raf Vivares against the pressure D of Chris Azares. Rito open for 3. It's good. Andre Rito. Big man. Sampurna attacking. Kicks it outside. Completo the fake. The jumper back to Sampurna. The shot is good. Mid-range jumper is good. In traffic here. Using the screen, Vivares. Another quick trigger. Knocks it down. NCB. It's the 5 series. They are eager to not get swept. And they are up by 19 points. We'll be right back for the 4th and final. Though Mayo thought about it. Now takes it closer. Nice pass to Santos inside for 2. Timely offense badly needed here for the gig. Garing. Vivares. Redondo. Nice passing down low. Good. Almario trying to evade the Natividad defense. Almario goes all the way for 2. Jerome retains possession though. Ordonez catches the pass wide open for the jumper. Good play there off Natividad. Almost losing it. He gets it back. Dumagtoy. Mid-range jumper is good. Garing tries to escape the defense but loses the ball here, and Natividad Easy basket there off with the horn screen here. Garing. Almario open for three. Knocks it down. Jerome Almario. Ball stays with the white shirts. Natividad inside to Gabiran. Shotlock against Natividad. Back outside, they move the ball around. Magpantay. Pull-up jumper is good. He hung on. Santos goes it himself and scores on the basket against Eugene Malya. In the last Chairman's Cup, Taguig sweeping the Express 3-0. Sapur or LJ Mayo scoring on that one, but Natividad inbounding. Azares the fake, step aside three is good. Chris Azares, still by Taguig. Azares, Sampurna back outside. Azares another three, another make. Chris Azares, what a Natividad kicks it to the other side. Azares another three, almost an LJ Mayo in the right place at the right time for the Express. Almario, 9 on the shot clock. Almario tries to take it himself. He does. Good answer for Jerome Almario. Back to a 3-point lead. Mayo attacking all the way. LJ Mayo with little last chance for Taguig. Sampurna pulls up for three. In and out. Mayo, offensive rebound. Hits that one. A 1 point. The free throw woes continue for Garing down the stretch. This is that first one. Still anybody's ball game here as Garing misses that one intentionally, and it is over. We have a game 4 as the Camp Sur Express stay alive against the Taguig Generals, 93-92. The Express surviving the defending champions Taguig Generals to pull a game back in this, held on to this 1-point victory, 93-92, to send the finals to game 4. It's the first loss in an NBA final stage for the Taguig Generals. So they are now 12-1 in NBA finals games. We'll be back for the short break.